I was sent these glasses, and I'm going to show you one of the things that I drink in the morning, and I'll show you why these glasses are perfect. But first, one of the reasons why I like these are they are microwavable safe. They can go in the freezer. They can also go inside of your refrigerator. Perfect. They can also go in the dishwasher. Now you're also going to receive one of these to go and help you clean out the inside, which is great, especially if you're doing something like an infused water. So what you're also going to receive is you're going to receive two different kinds of straws. You're going to receive a bent straw and a straight straw. They are metal. You're going to receive 5 lids that have holes in them, and you're going to receive 10 that do not. So these are airtight when you put them on. That way you can put them in the freezer, you can put them inside the refrigerator and not have to worry about anything being spilled. That is amazing. That way you can make all your smoothies or whatever you're going to drink ahead of time, put it in the freezer, let it sit overnight inside the refrigerator. You have something fresh. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go and make this drink that I make in the morning. I find that it's very refreshing and also helps with hydration. So let's get right to it. First, we're going to start off with our glass. Now I'm going to go in, this is a 16-ounce glass, and we're going to put 8 ounces of coconut water in it. All right, so we're going to do about 8 ounces of coconut water. I'm going to, right now I'm actually using Jan's coconut water, but you can use any coconut water you want to. I'm going to take some salt. This is just iodized sea salt. I do like sea salt. I just sprinkle a little bit in there, and then I'm going to do some orange juice. Now I'm using simply orange juice that is pulp free. Again, that is going to be your preference. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my straw using one of the bent straws. I am going to mix it around. I want to mix it around now as opposed to when I'm done. You're going to see why in a moment. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of grenadine to this. I'm using Rose's grenadine. And to make this really pop, what we're going to do is we're going to tip our glass off to the side, just like so. And we're going to add the grenadine very slowly. All right, so just like that. And then you can add your lid on top of it. Now, how nice is that? Of course, I'm sure you can think of all sorts of things you could do with this recipe, but having the clear glasses like this definitely makes it just a little bit more aesthetic, and that way you can really see what's inside. So if you're looking for something to elevate what you have going on inside your cabinets, then I highly recommend picking these up because it just makes everything a little bit nicer when you can see what's inside.